guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about how to earn money online in 2021. We all want to have money, right? I mean, who don't want to have a passive source of income? We are living in a digital era where earning online is much easier than ever before. Digital space gives you flexibility to work from anywhere. You can still work and earn while enjoying your vacations. Sounds fun, right? So let's get started. If you search on the internet, we get n number of ways to earn money online. But you need to stick on to the one niche, understand where your interests and abilities lie, and put more efforts and have patience. Start from one thing, excel and master it, and later step on to other. If you start doing all of the things at once, it will be like a jack of all trades and a master of none. So let's discuss about the 7 different ways to earn money online today. Point number 1, freelancing. People have seen the need to shift online than ever before. Many businesses are actually looking out for the people who can take their business online. If you have any of the digital marketing skills like content writing, graphic designing, SEO, or running paid ads or handling social media for any of the brands, then you can sell your services and earn money. You can create your profile and list your services on any of the freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork and get the projects. If you are a newbie or a fresher and you don't have any experience in this field, then you can start by approaching your any of the friends or family or even any of the local business. You can start working for free, then build your portfolio, give results to them, build your portfolio, and later you can approach new clients for any paid projects by showing them the previous results, what you achieved from the previous clients. Point number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way of generating passive income by recommending other services and products and getting a commission out of it. The basic element that you may require for affiliate marketing is a blog, a website, or a landing page. Make sure to get the right product research and traffic source before recommending it to others. The third point is start your YouTube channel. Start your own YouTube channel by sharing knowledge of whatever you are good at, be it beauty, travel, fashion, food, or anything. You can share your experience and knowledge on YouTube. Pick a niche that you're good at and you're very passionate about and start sharing videos related to that. People are consuming video content like never before. Don't select a niche which you're not at all interested. In the long run, you may start now, but in the long run, you will be hating to create content with that niche if you're not at all passionate about that. Sticking to the niche that you're passionate about will help you in the long run to create abundant amount of videos. Once you have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time, you can start monetizing your channel. Point number 4 is become an Instagram influencer. Influencers are leading the market these days. Be it fashion, food, travel, fitness or beauty, influencers are already dominating on Insta with a huge fan following. If you are wondering about how to earn as an Instagram influencer, then businesses and organizations are paying huge amount of money for influencers to recommend their products or services for their huge fan following. This is called as brand collaborations. The more authentic fan following and the higher engagement rates you have, the more money you can make. Though it is not easy to grow your fan following all of a sudden or overnight, you need to have a lot of patience and dedicated commitment towards your Instagram growth. It is possible by being consistent on social media with regular postings, entertaining your audience while engaging them as well. At the end of the day, it's all worth, right? Point number 5, blogging. Many say that blogging is outdated, but that's not really right. 90% of the bloggers fail to make money via blogging, because they don't have the exact knowledge on how to optimize their blog to get ranked on the Google. Some of the primary things to be considered before starting out on the blogging is, initially you need to niche down on a particular topic about what exactly your target market is, about which topic you are going to write, and how we are going to get the traffic for your blog. Point is keyword research. Keyword research plays an important role about understanding the target market. I mean, first of all, if you're writing the blog, you need to have a good traffic source for your blog, right? If you just keep writing about some random things which people are not at all interested, then why will anyone come to your blog? You can search on the Google Trends or any of the keyword research tools like SEMrush, Ubersuggest or Ahrefs, and get the list of the keywords or the list of like the questions people are asking with respect to that keywords. So based on that, you can decide on what topic you want to write the blog about, so that you get the right audience for your blog and you can monetize it easily. Research will give you a great idea on what exactly the monthly traffic you can bring to your website. You can scale your blogs by getting more backlinks and domain authority. Pick a niche where there is less competition and use the proper keyword research tool and start your blogging journey and monetize it. Point number 6 is sell your products. You can have your own products, be it physical product or a digital product. You can sell your, if you have a physical product, you can sell them on various e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart or anything. Or even you can have your own Shopify store or a custom coded website and sell products online. Point number 7, online courses. Online courses are one of the biggest trending things that's happening. It can come in the product, it can come in the category of info products. You can see many people are selling courses like at the rate of 99, 499, 599, etc. So you have knowledge about anything that is shareable and useful to others, you can make it as a course and sell it online. According to the stats, it is said that only 25% of the people who buy the courses complete the courses, but still many people end up buying because of FOMO, that is fear of missing out. As I told you, don't start with many things at a time. Start with the one, pick a niche that you're interested in and master and excel in it and start your online journey.